Welcome to the Hard Reset Pro channel. Today I will show you how to disable Google Assistant on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, open Settings, or if there is no shortcut on your desktop, scroll down from the top of your screen and press this little gear button. In Settings, scroll all the way down to the Google section. And in here, go to All Services, scroll down to Search Assistant and Voice. In here, go to Google Assistant and click on General. It's right here. Now disable it, press Turn Off. Now Google Assistant is disabled. Now this option may not be here if you have Gemini enabled. So go back, if you don't have the option, go to the digital assistants from Google, make sure you have a Google Assistant selected. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.